For the obsessively clean, beware. Those cleaning chemicals you spray all over to get your house spick and span may be hurting your lungs.
There are a lot of different chemicals that we potentially are exposed to at home.
According to research, people who are frequently exposed to cleaning chemicals over extended periods of time have shown decreased lung function. Dr. Clayton Cowl, a Mayo Clinic lung specialist and toxicologist, says it's something to keep in mind, but most of us probably are not inhaling these chemicals often enough to really harm us.
The message here is not necessarily that everything we have in our closet, we're immediately going to disintegrate from them.
But he says those who clean professionally or are exposed to cleaning chemicals repeatedly and frequently should take steps to limit their exposure.
When you're applying those products, doing it with an adequate amount of ventilation around are all things that you can do to minimize the long-term risk.
So if you want to breathe easy in a squeaky clean home, turn on a fan or open a window while you clean. Don't mix products and select cleaners with less irritating fumes. For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Ian Roth.